are we with here?
Oh, we're taking video.
Video.
I thought you were taking a picture.
Okay.
All right. Hey, we're at Hollywood Casino having dinner with everybody.
That's right.
And this
There you go.
lovely waitress who made sure that we got a seat tonight with all these wood
The wood down. This is video. That's right.
When we got here, she said they didn't have seats for us, but she made it happen.
Cool, man.
Awesome. Make sure we jump her in.
Who's who?
Ones that have the cage, like that you can see through the floor, as opposed to the fiberglass.
Who's who? Adirondack Woodsman. Patty Jeff.
No, Jeff, Patty, Jeff.
Jeff, Patty Jeff. That's right. Then we never know who this. Who does that look like? Who does that look like? Looks like him.
Oh my God. It does.
It does. That's right.
Hello.
There we go.
What's up, Mr. Anderson? How are you, buddy?
Who's hiding down there?
I gotta get the back.
Huh? Got to get the back. That's right. Because this is who's coming up. The family of the hour. Look at this. Love it. Love it.
So by us, a lot of the companies have the necks on, as they call them.
Here we go. See you, Dan. All right, here we go.
Hey, Mike.
You got your shoes on there, huh?
Woo!
Good.
Yeah. You get happy.
You're happy. You slow down, bud. Keep going.
Woo! 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 Danny! Woo! That's it.
Hey, Fred.
Hey, how are you?
Good, and you? Look, I got the video going.
Yes, I do.
Woo! Yeah.
Hey, Patty, how you doing, dear?
Good, and you?
Good, thank you.
Okay.
I gotta get you guys signed in a minute.
Okay.
Okay. What's up, Danny? How are you, buddy?
Yeah, how are you?
Good.
Hello, how you doing?
Good.
Yep, you got her.
All right. Woo! Woo! Yeah.
That's right.
Howdy. Nice to meet you. Danny. Travis. Hey, how are you?
Down, Josh.
Hey, Mike, how are you?
Good, good.
He's the mayor.
I hear you.
That's right.
Hey, nothing wrong with that.
How are you, my friend?
That's right.
How are you? I'm a big fan. Big fan.
Yeah, how you doing?
How you doing, Ken?
Excellent. Steve.
Steve, nice to meet you, Steve.
meet you.
Sure. I'm Ken. You're Travis? Nice to meet you, Travis. Hey, Mark. Nice to meet you. Excuse me. You don't mind being on YouTube, do you? Okay. Gotcha. Thanks. Hey, man. How you doing?
How you doing, buddy?
Good, thanks.
Nice
Good to see you.
again.
How's everything?
Ken.
How are you doing this morning?
Doing good. How you doing?
Good, thank you. Uh-oh.
It's chilly.
It's a little bit wee bit nippy today, huh?
What's up, Danny? What's up, Danny?
I finally got it. First time.
Yeah, I got it.
Good.
Yeah, nice hat.
That's-
What's up, Danny?
Hey. Yeah, how are you?
Pretty good. How are you, buddy?
Good, how are you?
You ready to go
Yeah,
split some
how are
wood?
you today?
We're doing good. Good
How
to
are
see
you? How are you?
you. Good. How are you?
Good, how are you? How are you today?
Good, thank you.
The mayor is here.
He's a little politician.
It's,
The foreman. He is.
we got Dan. There it is. Yeah, we got to let her down. Okay.
Morning.
I did.
Ralph.
It just started. Well, because I saw him yesterday. He was getting something inside the road down there. It's not dry out yet. It's warm by now.
Hey, Jeff.
Hey, Ken, how you doing?
Good.
I don't know if that gonna work or not.
I don't know. We'll see.
Oh.
Hey, Ken.
Good to see you this morning. That's right.
Everybody's ready for work. How you doing, Danny?
Karen, how you doing?
Good, how about you?
Good, thanks, man. Good to see you.
Too.
Yeah. How you doing, Ken?
Good.
Good to see you.
you.
Hi, how you doing, Ken?
I'm Corey.
Hey, Corey. Nice to meet you, Corey.
Todd.
Hey, Todd. Nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you.
Yeah, same here.
Squirrels.
Yeah.
Squirrels here.
I got some earlier too.
And how you doing?
Good, buddy. How are you?
Good, thank you. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Yeah.
Hey, Todd. Woo!
Got some wet wood here, huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that. So Shy bought that, huh?
Yep. That's
Gotcha.
why it's not burning.
I got it.
Ready to get this thing going?
That's what they said.
Oh yeah, how about
Good to see you, buddy.
You too.
I'm awesome.
You gonna make it in this morning?
Yeah,
Or last
yeah.
night?
Get up and
Oh no, we
get
live here. We
breakfast?
live.
Yeah, you
what is
said
it,
like
50 minutes.
away.
Yeah. So I gotta follow him.
Hey, how are you, Phil?
Hey John, how you doing?
How you?
Doing fine, thank you.
Are you doing that thing?
Yes, I am doing the thing.
Oh my goodness! Wait! I got something somewhere in here. I got something special.
You record?
You want to call Dan?
Yes. Hey, Dan,
Hey, pick up your phone, Dan. What's
pick
wrong
up
with
your phone. Come on, Dan. Come on. Are you in there?
I doubt it.
Are you?
He's sleeping.
I don't see him in there.
Hey,
That's,
how are you?
that's funny.
Oh, I had to bring it.
Gotcha. Hey, Dick.
Want to talk to Dan?
Ken, how you doing?
Doing good.
Hey, John.
Here, talk to Dan.
Hey, Will.
Tell him to get up.
Hello, buddy. Welcome. You've been sleeping. I heard. You sleep in your truck?
He's calling.
Did you?
He called Dan.
He's not answering, John.
He won't pick up his phone. I told him if his can don't work, call his provider.
I think I hear the ocean.
There you go. I bet you hear him snoring.
Is that right?
Oh, we had to do it, Dan.
We got that. Man, look at this setup.
I think you got me beat by a couple years, don't you?
Yes, I did. Yep.
You do. I hope. You've done better than me by last week.
Yeah, we can know yesterday.
Is this your smoker? All right. Cool beans, man.
Smokers are a smoke.
I'm recording Jack, recording everything else.
What's up, Mr. Ken? How are you, brother?
Good, how you doing?
I'm awesome.
I finally got Danny. Every time I try to get him, record him with saying hello to people, I miss it. So I didn't miss it today.
Awesome. Very cool.
I have to find my coffee. I keep setting it down.
Where's Jack go?
How are you doing? I'm Ken.
Okay. Were you here last year?
Yes, I was.
remember you.
Sure was, yeah.
Hi there. Hi, how are you? Good. Hi. I guess Jack went down the other end.
We haven't even gotten started yet. I have a shirt for you, by the way. Well, it's saying thank you from York Firewood. So. Yeah. What size? You got it. It's a York Firewood shirt. That's all. That's it.
I bought 4.
What's the price you get to? Is it on this?
Yes, and then
Pay salt.
Hey, man, Dan, how you doing?
How you doing?
Good. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Yeah. Glad to see you back.
Good to be back.
Yeah. Absolutely.
and just fill your name out any 2 lines.
Man, look at this setup.
Hey, how are you? Pretty good.
Try to get through to Dan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, when I brought these benches up, it took me over 2 hours.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, today I think I got up there like an hour and a half.
Oh, yeah.
I like this.
Ready?
Did you sign in yet or not?
I did not.
Woo!
We got Danny and Jeff, Mountaintop Outdoors, Miss Patty.
That sounds good.
So Andrew, what do you think of this event?
Oh, it's wonderful. Everybody should come out to the Fellowship of the Furnace. Even when it's raining and drizzling, this is just awesome.
It is, isn't it?
Oh, I couldn't ask for more. I couldn't ask for more.
That's right. Gotcha. There's a story behind that. How are you doing?
Are you gonna say hi, Gus?
Hey, Gus.
Hey, Will. Gus, where are you going, buddy?
Here's Will.
I'm Jay. You were commenting on my page.
Yes.
So I had to come over and like show you how big I got.
Oh, I'll never get into that.
No, it's all fun. We all love you.
That's right.
What's up, buddy?
How you doing, man?
I'm doing
Glad
great.
to see you again.
Yes.
Always.
This is my dad, Kevin, my mom, Dana.
Where? Right here?
Yeah, these two right here.
Oh,
these
cool.
Two lovely birds.
Cool.
Yes.
Oh, he's absolutely awesome. I love him more and more every day.
Oh man, I hope he's not hearing any of that.
You're having a hard time getting in the back of the car.
Yeah. He's got his own truck.
So I'm a little hungover from last night.
Well, what happens every once in a while?
And those machines
Yeah.
doesn't really like my hangover.
Oh, don't worry
It's
about
really
it.
loud.
Yeah, you'll be able to get cobwebs out, Jay.
Yeah, I know.
You look like you were having a pile of fun.
Mr. Davidson.
Oh, I had to
Sir.
I'm Ken.
Man.
Ken?
Yes, Ken.
Ken, and nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you too.
Wife Dana?
Hi, Dana. Nice to meet you. It's glad to have you here.
You're the official videographer.
No, I just
The unofficial
unofficial.
videographer. There you
Yeah.
go.
I do have YouTube. You don't mind being on YouTube, do you?
I've been on YouTube once or twice.
Okay, gotcha. Well, thank you. Yeah, Will is. I ran the Hope Foundation for the cancer thing. So, yeah. So
Great, that's fantastic.
Yeah, he was
That's a
awesome,
cool-
man.
That's a cool project.
it was awesome to have him there. You know, everybody loves him, man. Everybody loves him.
It's always nice for parents to hear that.
That is it. You got a good man here.
Oh, shit.
That's right.
Oh, shucky darn. Too many compliments are gonna inflate my ego.
I gotta go get a wipe this thing off. It got wet.
I said that the same thing about Danny's nose.
How many bucks?
Jeffrey?
How are you, sir?
Awesome, man. How about yourself?
Awesome. Enjoying it?
I am. How about yourself?
We're enjoying.
Yeah,
It's great.
Eastonmade blue,
Orange and blue.
Heaven. Orange and blue heaven. Our Eastonmade axis. Does that come off there automatically? Stacks them like that?
Yes, sir.
That's awesome. I wish I could get mine to do that way all the time. $12.22. How you all doing? Good, thank you. It's a little bit muddy here, huh?
Yeah, just a little.
Just
a little.
It's a wee bit messy. Good thing I got my muck boots on. There's your 2228. All right. Woo! From Vermont, right? From Vermont? Connecticut. Connecticut, okay. Man, muddy mess. Look who we have here. Chris. All right.
Everybody's here watching.
Like your hat.
There we go.
That's right. The Grizzlies? The Chaff. Look at that! How you doing?
There, going Firewood. How you doing?
Good, how you doing?
How you doing, young man?
Good, man, how you doing?
Good to see you.
Good
What
to-
are you doing? Filming me?
I'm filming you,
no.
filming me.
That's terrible.
Is that Say hi!
My girlfriend was real upset.
You know it doesn't matter if it's a mess. We're all having a great time. Whoa. Oh, I missed the up and down. Everything Elliot. Here we go, Elliot.
Watch out,
Give a
Danny.
sticker. Everything Elliot. You gotta check him out. Great guy. Great YouTube channel. Yep. So, Elliot, thank you, man. Appreciate
Thank you.
it. You got it.
Awesome being here.
You got it. Again.
What?
You were here last time.
I was, yes, I was. It wasn't as wet last time, though.
It was.
Yeah.
All right, Garrett. Here we go from Camp Corner. Garrett's very special to us. First, he's local to where we are, or close to it. Plus, he was the biggest help at Hope. He brought his tractor. I'll speed this up. There we go. Camp Corners. There you go. Woo! He's got a YouTube channel too. All right, man. Gotcha. Gotcha. Here's Ed.
Howdy.
From Hope. Talking to Jeffrey from Eastonmade and
Yes.
Patty.
Glad to be here.
Glad to have you here, Ed. Ken, you learned your lessons of bringing it back, huh?
That's right. You want to try? No, sure.
Monster log. Look at that.
It does not care.
It doesn't, does it? Machine does not care. Isn't that amazing? Can you tip it up? Huh? Yes, they did. They did. They outshined Sky. He's the hawk. This machine was meant for you. Definitely outshined Shad. Yeah. It is. Yeah, it's recording. I don't know, maybe they might put this out of the area. They might forfeit the liquor license. Did you really? Thank you. You remember Ed, right? Oh. Andrew's gonna work with it.
Are you keeping track of how many pieces are coming off this?
No, I'll go back and record.
I can't count that.
I can't tell. That's impressive. That was really impressive.
Who wants buttons? Wait a second. Buttons are better. Hey, Shy. Buttons are better than stickers. Who wants buttons? Who wants buttons? There you go. You got me the button. There you go. Buttons are better. You need one for your okay, well, now you got two buttons.
Button. Who's got a button?
Here, I'll do the same thing then.
Do it. Shy, where'd you go? There you go. Thank you.
There you go. Everybody can have a sticker. There you go. Look at that.
Okay.
All right, I think everybody's
Don't
here.
use it with them potato chips. Button. They're better than stickers.
All right, couple of announcements here real quick. Can we,
We don't mess around with fricatives. We give the
he wasn't here earlier, and I don't know if he's here now, but I'd like to give Mr. Joe Gilbert, the driver of the bus, a big round of applause.
Hey, Joe.
I don't know what we would have done. I really don't know what we would have done if he hadn't volunteered to do that for us. So thank you, Joe, or as Jeff calls him, Bob. The food is ready to be served, and good news, all 100 500i raffle tickets are sold.
Oh, cool.
So somebody will be going home with the saw today.
Thank you.
Did everybody get their fill of running every piece of equipment they wanted to run? No?
No.
Well, after lunch and after the raffles, for those of you who are hardcore and want to hang out and split some more wood, there's still more down there to do. But I understand the weather's crummy and there's playoff football on today.
85 and sunny.
But again, I want to thank everybody. The $5 raffles are still going on. We're going to draw those once everybody gets done eating. We'll draw the 500i raffle once everyone gets done eating, and we will do the splitting ball giveaway for everybody who signed a waiver as well. So if you didn't fill out a waiver form when you got here, if you snuck through, see either Rachel or Patty to fill out that form so that you can make sure everything is drawn. All right, so another round of applause for Mr. Will Walcott. He's taking care of all the food today. If you aren't subscribed to Walcott Family Works on YouTube,
That's right.
that's his channel. Give him some love. Thank you to my mother, Rick, my boy Brady, and his friend Dom for handling everything in the garage with the raffles today. I don't know how many people are going to hang out after we're done. That's why I'm getting all these things in now. So I know you're waiting to eat. Will, are you ready? Let's eat.
You guys are the reason why
That mic's not working.
we're able to do this. You guys are box splitters. You guys are supporting YouTube channels. All the other two guys that are here. Amazing. I just feel completely and totally humbled by having this many people show up and support us and check out the machines and be a part of this community. And I've met so many wonderful people and great friends through this. It's just been wonderful.
Thank you, buddy. Let's split some wood.
Hey, Hey, Brad, thank you to your mom for what she's having us here.
Hey, look, guys. Hey, look.
Mother.
I can't wait, buddy. Yeah.
That's my big buddy.
There you go.
I got legs day.
Yeah.
This is a pretty cool wood stand. You see that? Phil's fit quite a bit of bundles in there.
So guys, we're here down at Brad's at the Fellowship. We have a 37D. We also have an Ultra, and we also have a STK 24 conveyor. You guys can, if you want to see some videos on that of how we operate, check out Mountaintop Outdoors. You'll see all the videos on there. We do anything from regular firewood to bundle firewood to kindling firewood, and we also do a couple restaurants that we do for that as well.
Okay, now as far as Eastonmade, you're actually a salesman for Eastonmade.
That is correct. Andrew made us a sales rep for Eastonmade. So if you guys are looking for any Eastonmade product, which is a wood splitter, a disc screener, a conveyor, go ahead and give us a processor. You can guys give us a call. We'll put a plug right here up for you guys with our name and address, or name and the way to get a hold of us, or you can simply visit at eastonmadewoodsplitters.com, and I'll have all the product and information on that as well.
Thank you, Jeff and Patty. And
Jay, you came the farthest.
Yes, sir.
From Iowa.
Yes.
Jay from Iowa. And he's got his sticker right here. Look at that. Premier Iowa tree surgeon. Right next to Woodruff Woods. Look at that. Good place for it, man.
Yes, sir.
Glad. Thank you. Hey, it's a pleasure meeting you.
Nice meeting you too, sir.
Absolutely. Okay. All right, Heath. Glad to have you, man. This is you got to do this official now, because we had. What did we have there? Somebody says.
So they put the hardworking man sticker on backwards, which they say means women make it happen.
That's right.
But it's supposed to be hardworking man, so we're going to correct that.
We're going to correct that. Not to put it over it, but put next to it.
Yeah. Maybe behind it, because women make it happen, and then the hardworking man.
There you go.
Oh, well, there's not much. I guess I'll put it in front of it.
He's talking, he's got a lot of
There you go.
lines coming out of there.
Cool, man.
Tall tales.
There we go.
Awesome to have you on there. You made
it 3. Boom, boom, boom.
There you go. Cool. Awesome. I have a guy we've been waiting to see and meet. Adirondack Woodsman. Whoops. That's all right. Adirondack Woodsman. Going to be able to put his sticker on the Axis. He was here, and we normally have the owner of the sticker put it on, but since he's not here, I got to do that. How's that? Look straight. No.
No, not at all.
All right, we'll get it right.
Cheers, brother. Boom.
How's that?
A little to your left.
Like that?
Okay. Yep.
Cool. Thank you. Woo! Woo! You can start now.
All right, welcome back to the Fellowship at the Furnace. I don't know how far you guys have gotten, but it's end of the day, and I'm gonna slap the sticker on this beautiful machine.
Cool, man. WD-30.
Woo!
It's up underneath there.
Oh yeah, it is.
That's
Hey, it's my size. Come on now.
yeah. I'm tall. You can't see it.
You gotta
You
bring
gotta
that
put it
camera down. Come on now, Brandon. My size. Come on.
Okay, gotcha.
My size.
Gotcha.
Come on. You gotta go short. Come on.
Take care, man.
See ya.
All right.
Today, turn it off and back out. Yeah.
Come on, get over here.
Well, WD can actually stand on the splitter.
Wait, they won't be able to see him. Is Dude Ranch coming? Andrew, Dude Ranch! Get up here!
Don't run, you'll fall.
Yeah.
Come on, man.
Hey, Brad, you got your camera. You want me to take one from you?
out here waiting on you. You're not going to bury it in the mud, are you?
No, I'll hold on to it.
Man, it's feeling good on my hands. I'll tell you that.
Next to you, behind me.
Okay.
Already on photo. It's already on photo. Oh no! What happened?
Oh well.
How we coming? You got yours?
No, it broke off. I gotta fix it later.
Brad, your camera's better than mine. Hey, your blackened area, is that captured or not? It's not captured?
You got wood?
It's almost there.
Try to tighten up a little bit. But
Tighten up.
might get the splitter.
Oh, he wants to be on the any tighter.
hey, Shive, wave your hand. I can't see you.
Right. Ken, get in here.
Rachel!
Hey, Danny, get by your dad.
Where are you, Dad? Right here.
Is everybody in here?
Hey, do you have me on
Is everybody in here? You ready?
Yeah.
WD-30, sit still.
WD, you're too tall. Sit down.
Says who?
Hell.
All right, put that one down.
That's right.
He's got 10 cameras. All right, y'all give me the big woo, everybody. Ready, set, go. Woo!
Hang out, wait, Dad. So.
Have a great day, Joe. He's not here.
One more.
Is this your camera?
Yes,